and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic terms, Part 2, Worksheet. So this video presents a single worksheet, and we can have some practice in multiplying algebraic terms together. Now, if you're not sure what to do here, we've had a lesson on this very topic. So on the next slide, there is a link, and if you click on the link, it will take you directly to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's have a quick look at what we need to do here. Simplify each of the following. So we have m squared times m cubed. Now the lesson says that when you're multiplying two algebraic terms together, for example, you'll have a look at the bases. If the bases are the same, all you do is add the powers together. So in this case, we can clearly see that each base is m. So to get the answer will be, for example, it'll be the same base, and all you do is add the powers together. Over here we have three terms multiplied together. Exactly the same principle applies, and it's also for example 3. Now here for example 4, you take the similar terms here. See how the base is a in each case, and then you add the powers, and you see for this example you have a b to the fourth and a b cubed, and you can do the same here. Remember, there is a lesson, so don't hesitate to click on the link if you're not sure. For this example here, the lesson tells us that we can multiply the leading terms together. So 3 times 5, you just do that normally. And then we work out m squared times m cubed, same as we did here. And here we work out y to the power of 4 times y to the power of 5. As we come down to the examples here, which are a little bit more involved, we can multiply the leading terms, 3 times 2 times 4, and you write that down. Then you look at the letters. Here we have b cubed, b to the power of 4, and b to the power of 7. So we do those. We do the same for the c's, and we do the same for the y's. So as we move along, the principles are exactly the same. Leading terms are multiplied together normally. Then you look at each pronumeral separately, and you look at what the power is. You put that pronumeral down, and then you add the powers together. So this video has given us some exercises where we can practice multiplying algebraic terms together. And if you need some help, just go to the link excuse me, on the next slide, and it'll take you to the lesson.